Writers read better. Colleen Cruz, Katie Wood Ray, and Lucy Calkins are only a few examples of authors that remind us that kids should read like writers. Writers learn how to write from the modeling of other writers. Students immersed in the writing process and write within a genre for several weeks are better equipped to read examples of texts with deep understanding. When writers construct writing, they think deeply about the structure of the writing. As readers, they are better able to think about the author's intention, structural choice, main idea, and craft moves. Engaging in the writing process uncovers the work of authors. The reciprocal process of reading and writing benefits all learners. As you engage with your learners, you will want to select lessons in nonfiction, writing that supports your students' needs. The writing instruction in your classroom should be integrated into a whole group focus lesson, small group instruction, and within individual writing conferences. Think carefully about the standards addressed at your grade level. Most strategies within a genre can be adapted to address the differentiated needs of your students. Opportunities exist in all areas of the curriculum to support students' reading and writing development. A brief reminder that through this process, student choice plays an important role. As the teacher, you may be selecting a wide variety of materials to support students' engagement. Without motivation and engagement, students' progress will not increase at the rate necessary to be successful learners. Choice and engagement also means students accessing work at their own level with their own learning targets. Scaffolds are important to promote student efficacy, engaging in the learning process. Reflecting on your own classroom environment and the opportunities for learning writing in differentiated groups, whole group instruction, small group instruction, and meeting individual needs or conferring with writers on a continuous basis. In writing, you will need a wide variety of materials across the content areas. You may have access to textbooks, picture books, magazine articles, differentiated digital resources, articles, and speeches that students can use as mentors. The mentor text that you choose to model will need to be purposefully selected so that you can choose to refer back to the text for a variety of examples. The mentors are typically slightly above the student's writing ability. Most students in your class should be able to read the text and find it highly engaging to support meaningful dialogue. In your classroom, take a few minutes to think about what mentor text you have provided for students, to work in a whole group, or mentors in small groups, or how individual students access mentor texts to support their own reading and writing development. In addition, students should have access to writing notebooks, various types of loose leaf paper, folders, sticky notes, and highlighters. As you engage in this week's learning, think deeply about the strong connection between reading and writing. Think about strategies to support your students in paying close attention to the purpose of the genre, the author's intent, craft, and meaning presented in informational text. Consider how you will assess and progress monitor the transfer of skills as writers to reading and skills as readers to writing.